Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to edit videos with Wondershare Filmora. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Open Wondershare Filmora. Set your project aspect ratio 16:9 and select full feature mode. First thing that we want to do is go ahead and import video clip. Go to import. Import intro video as well as import your main video. As you can see, these videos laying in the project media tab. If you want to edit this clip, you have to just go ahead and drag and drop these videos into the timeline. These are different tabs you can use for editing your videos. In the timeline, Wondershare has 3 different layers. 2 layers for video, 2 layers for audio and 1 layer for text. If you want to add text on your video, just take your cursor point to a spot where you want to add a text, then go to text tab. From text tab, you can add a opener, add a subtitle and add a lower third. Choose any of them, then just drag and drop it on your timeline and edit it from timeline text layer. Double click on it. Here you can edit your text. Place it anywhere. Make changes to the color. Edit character size. Edit fonts. Give an animation. Let me show you how to add a transitions on your video. Go to Transition tab. Choose any of them, then drag and drop it between 2 videos. Play it. As you can see, it's applying effect on your video. If you want to make any color correction, go to Filter tab. We have different filter to choose. Then just drag and drop it. You can edit the length of your filter, then place it anywhere. You can choose overlay as well. Then add any element. Just take your cursor point to a spot where you want to add an element. Then just drag and drop it in your timeline. Let me show you how to add split screen. Go to Split Screen tab. Choose any of them. Drag and drop it on your timeline. Then drop your videos in your drop zone. Now play it. As you can see, it's applying effect on your videos. You want to add music, go to Music tab, take your cursor there where you want to add music, then drag and drop it there. You don't want some part of your video. Let me show you how to split. Take your cursor point where you want to delete, then click on Split. Take it to end point, then click Split again, then select the video you want to delete and click on Delete. You want to make changes to contrast, brightness and saturation. Go here, make sure your video is selected, then go here and slide it right and left. Click OK. You want to export your video or render your video, go to Export, then select Create a Video. Give a file name, select your destination folder, select MP4, then change your setting, Then click on Export. And it will start the render processing. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.